Let's begin by understanding what a constitution truly is. At its core, a constitution is the fundamental document that guides the governance of a state. Think of it as the mirror reflecting the values, rights, and responsibilities of both citizens and rulers. It outlines the structure of government, the powers of each branch, and the relationship between the state and its people. Why is it so important? Because it sets the framework for forming governments, making laws, and ensuring justice. No decision can override the Constitution. It's the supreme law of the land. As Aristotle famously said, a constitution is a way of life chosen by the state itself. This foundation is what keeps a nation united and functioning smoothly. Constitutions can be created in several ways, each reflecting the unique history and needs of a nation. Some are formed through approval, where rulers voluntarily recognize citizens' rights to ease public unrest. Others are planned, drafted through discussions among assembly members like Bangladesh in 1972 or the United States. Sometimes constitutions emerge after revolutions, when new leaders replace authoritarian regimes, as seen in Russia or Cuba. There are also constitutions that evolve gradually, shaped by customs and traditions over time, like Britain's. Each method leaves its mark on the nation's identity and stability, showing that a constitution is not just a document but a living process shaped by people and events. Constitutions are not all the same. They can be written or unwritten, flexible or rigid. A written constitution like Bangladesh is clear and accessible to everyone, making it stable and less prone to sudden changes. Unwritten constitutions like Britain's rely on traditions and are more adaptable but can be unclear. Flexible constitutions are easy to amend, while rigid ones require complex procedures for changes, ensuring stability but sometimes slowing progress. Most constitutions are a mix, with some parts written and others based on custom. This classification helps us understand how different countries balance stability and adaptability in their governance. Bangladesh's constitution, adopted in 1972, is a remarkable example of a written and rigid constitution. It was drafted quickly by a committee of 34 members, led by Dr. Kamal Hossain, and became effective on December 16, 1972. The constitution is divided into articles, parts, and schedules, forming the backbone of the nation's legal system. It establishes a unicameral parliament called the Jatiya Sangsad, with 350 members serving 5-year terms. The constitution is unitary, republican, and parliamentary in nature, meaning power is centralized, the head of state is elected, and the government is run by elected representatives. Importantly, any law conflicting with the constitution is considered void, highlighting its supreme authority. The heart of Bangladesh's constitution are the fundamental rights and principles that protect every citizen. These include the right to life, movement, speech, thought, religion, and property, safeguarded by an independent judiciary. Universal suffrage ensures that all citizens over 18 can vote regardless of background. Over the years, the Constitution has evolved through 17 amendments, reflecting changes in government structure, emergency powers, and reserved seats for women. A great constitution is both firm and flexible, a living design that preserves core values while adapting to new challenges. It's not just a set of rules but a reflection of the nation's hopes, needs, and dreams for the future.